Okay, so you want to build and own an AI agent. Somewhere in a data center right now, a machine is answering a question you asked it 30 seconds ago, and every single word it just typed back to you cost real money. Not metaphorically, literally. Electricity, silicon, cooling fans spinning at full speed, all to produce one sentence. Here's the part that should stop you cold. The company running that machine might be losing money on almost every conversation you have with it, while somehow still being worth hundreds of billions of dollars. That's not a contradiction. That's the entire AI industry right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it actually costs to build and run an AI agent, why some of the smartest tech companies on Earth are burning through millions of dollars. Why some of the smartest tech companies on Earth are burning through millions of dollars a day just to keep the lights on, when it's actually cheaper to build your own AI instead of renting one? And why some investors think these agents won't just answer your questions anymore. They think agents are about to start running their own businesses. Let's start with something almost nobody thinks about. Every time an AI assistant writes a word back to you, that word has a price tag. OpenAI's own CEO has said generating a single output word from ChatGPT costs a tiny fraction of a cent, something like 12 thousandths of 1 cent. Sounds like nothing. Now multiply it. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, reportedly spends around $2.7 million a day just serving user conversations. Per day, not per year. And even with people paying for premium subscriptions, an estimated 85% of that revenue gets swallowed straight back into infrastructure costs before the company sees a dollar of profit. This is the trap hiding underneath the entire AI boom. The smarter and more useful these tools get, the more expensive every single reply becomes to produce. You're not talking to a free assistant. You're talking to a machine burning cash in real time. And someone, somewhere, is quietly hoping you don't ask too many follow-up questions. So why not just build cheaper machines? Here's the twist. The hardware race never actually stops, and it punishes anyone who tries to sit still. A single top-tier AI chip, the kind these models run on, costs somewhere between $30,000 and $40,000. Companies buy these by the thousands. And the moment a new generation ships, faster and more efficient, the fleet you just spent a fortune on starts looking outdated. It's not a purchase. It's a subscription to constantly rebuying the same category of equipment forever, just to keep your costs from spiraling out of control. Now here's where it gets almost unbelievable. That's just the cost of running an AI. Building one from scratch is an entirely different mountain of money. Training GPT-3, an older, smaller model by today's standards, reportedly cost around $4.6 million. Training GPT-4, the more advanced version that followed it, is estimated to have cost somewhere between $78 and $100 million. That's before a single customer ever typed a message into it. And the humans required to build it aren't cheap either. Top AI engineers routinely command salaries of over $120,000 to $200,000 a year or more, and losing just one of them mid-project can set a company back months. This is why building your own ChatGPT-style assistant isn't really a coding project. It's closer to opening a small tech conglomerate with salaries, server rent, electricity, and legal compliance all landing on the same balance sheet before you've made a cent. So here's the real question hiding behind all of this. If you wanted an AI agent for your own business, should you rent one from a company like OpenAI or build your own? Researchers actually ran the math on this, and the answer flips depending on your size. A small AI model running on a single high-end gaming-grade GPU costing about $2,000 can pay for itself against a premium AI subscription in as little as a few weeks to a few months. That's a genuinely fast return. But scale it up, and the story reverses hard. Massive, cutting-edge models running on $15,000 to $30,000 worth of hardware can take anywhere from a few months to nearly a decade to break even, depending entirely on which subscription you're comparing it to. Compare against a premium plan, and owning wins fast. Compare against a cheap plan, and renting wins for years. The lesson buried in that math, bigger isn't automatically smarter. For most people, renting the intelligence is the rational move. owning only makes sense once you're generating so much volume that the math finally tips in your favor. And even then, you're gambling that the hardware you bought won't be obsolete before you break even. So with training costs in the tens of millions and running costs bleeding cash every single day, how does anyone in this industry actually turn a profit? The answer is the same one that's quietly powered every tech boom before this one. Sell the shovel, not the gold. Most AI agent businesses today don't make their money from one giant miracle product. They stack multiple thin revenue streams on top of each other. Monthly subscriptions, often around $20 a seat for basic access. Usage-based fees, where a business pays per customer conversation an agent handles instead of a flat rate. Custom enterprise deals for large companies willing to pay far more for tailored support. And here's the number that explains why investors keep pouring money in anyway. Agencies and developers who build these agents for other businesses report profit margins between 70 and 90%. Because once the AI is built, serving one more customer barely costs anything extra. The first customer is brutally expensive. The 10,000th customer is almost free. That's the same logic that built every software fortune of the last 30 years, just running on a much hungrier engine.
And here's where this stops being a story about chatbots and starts being something stranger. Some of the same infrastructure being built right now is designed to let AI agents hold their own digital wallets, to pay each other, hire each other for small tasks, and quietly transact without a human clicking approve on anything. Analysts estimate this agent economy could grow from around $7 billion in 2025 to well over $300 billion within less than a decade. Whether that number holds up is genuinely uncertain. This is still an early, unproven bet. But the direction is clear enough that serious money is already being placed on it. A future where the thing answering your questions today might be the thing quietly running a small business tomorrow, invisible to you. One machine paying another machine, one fraction of a cent at a time.
So here's the whole picture in one sentence. Every word an AI agent speaks costs real money. Every model that gets smarter gets more expensive to run. And the businesses winning this race aren't the ones with the flashiest model. They're the ones who figured out how to make each customer cost almost nothing while still charging like they cost something significant. The AI boom looks like magic from the outside. From the inside, it's the oldest business model in the world, running through the most expensive machines humans have ever built. Get the math wrong, and you can burn tens of millions before your first paying customer ever shows up. Get it right, and you own a piece of what might be the most scalable business ever created. One word, 1 cent, one transaction at a time. If today's video changed the way you think, even a little, then we've done our job. There are a lot more businesses hiding behind this industry, and we'll keep breaking them down, one by one. Please subscribe to support us. For you, it's just a little effort, but for us, it will be a huge help us to grow and help you more to grow. I'll see you in the next video.